Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore asset management with Canva brand kits, detailed guide step by step. Click. Begin by logging into your Canva account. Navigate to the home page and look for the brand kit feature on the left sidebar. Click on the brand kit option to open the brand management section. If you don't already have a brand kit set up, you will see an option to create one. Select the Create a Brand Kit button. You will be prompted to enter your brand name. Fill in your brand name and click on Next to proceed. Now you'll see options to upload your brand logo. Choose your primary logo file and upload it to Canva. You can also upload secondary logos if needed. Next, focus on establishing your brand color palette. Click on the color option to open the color input fields. Here, you can manually input your brand colors using hex codes or select them from the color wheel. Once you've added your colors, arrange them in the order of preference. Next, let's add your brand fonts. Click on the Fonts section within your brand kit. You'll have the option to choose a font for headings, body text, and accents. Browse through Canva's font library and select your desired fonts. Once you've made your selections, save the changes. Now, navigate back to your design dashboard. Create a new project or open an existing design that you want to apply your brand kit to. On the left sidebar, find the Brand button. Click on it to reveal your brand assets. You will see your logos, colors, and fonts available for use. To apply a logo, simply click on it, and it will be inserted into your design. For colors, select an element in your design, open the color palette, and choose your brand color. When it comes to fonts, highlight your text and select your brand font from the text options. Once your design reflects your brand kit, review everything to ensure consistency. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.